Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Yes, it's raining again. It's like 4:30 or 5 o'clock in the morning. And it started raining like a half hour ago. And you can see everything's flooded because we got two tropical storm systems hitting Arizona. We got Tropical Storm Priscilla, and then another one, I don't remember the name of it. But yeah, you know, everybody loves it when it rains here, but I think everybody is over the rain that we've had, because it just rained like this a week ago. And everything's flooded. We had people die because of the flooding. And the reason why it floods here so much is because the ground is so hard that if you were to take a 16-penny nail, you know, a normal framing nail, you couldn't shove it into the dirt with your hand. You would have to take a hammer and hammer that nail into the dirt. The ground gets baked all summer long, and then the monsoons come. The ground can't absorb water like this, and it just runs off and floods everywhere. Globe, Arizona, the whole town got flooded. There's a big wash up in Scottsdale called Indian Bend Wash. It was pretty much bank to bank. I hope it don't rain Sunday, because me and my wife got to drive all the way over to my daughter's place because it is her birthday. Now I'm already going to tell you what one of the gifts are that my daughter got for her birthday, because she already knows. She got a very expensive concert ticket that her and my wife are going to. That's their thing, going to concerts. And of course my daughter would be fine with just a cheap ticket, but my wife, no, she has to be front row center, meet the band, take pictures with the band, do the whole VIP experience, which has gotten us some really cool things, because we got an autographed electric guitar at one show. Do me and my wife play guitar? No. She got an autographed Yeti travel mug from a show. But yeah. And if you're wondering where the neighbors are, they have moved out. They moved into a fifth wheel travel trailer because for his job he's having to move around so much. And they decided it was just better for them to get a fifth wheel. She doesn't like it. He doesn't like it, but they both understand that it's better for them. Of course, as a person that lived in motorhomes and travel trailers for most of his life, I had to give them the 411 on living in basically a camper. And the main thing is, nothing goes down the drain. Water and stuff from your body only goes down the drain. No food, no toilet paper, no feminine hygiene products, nothing goes down the drain. No grease from cooking, absolutely nothing. because travel trailers, campers, have holding tanks. You have a gray water holding tank, which holds the sink and the shower water, and you have the black water, which holds the toilet water. And those can get plugged up very easy. But enough talking about campers and trailers. This is supposed to go on for 4 days. It's not supposed to let up till Tuesday. We got to drive in this Sunday. Now, granted, I was born and raised driving in all kinds of weather. My wife was born and raised driving in all kinds of weather. But you can ask anybody that lives in Arizona, especially the Phoenix area. People lose their freaking mind when it's raining. And I don't know how many times I've seen cars sitting in parking lots with bald tires on them. So yeah, this is your weekly Broken Patriot weather update. And I am jealous of that first gen Tacoma over there. It's in perfect shape for being a 20-plus-year-old truck. But yeah, thanks for watching.